In this video, I'll show you how to add and customize your ClickUp notification. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open ClickUp on your browser, then you're gonna click on your profile picture. You're gonna see it right here at the top right. Once you're here, you're gonna select settings, and then you're gonna go to the left corner and you're gonna select notifications. Here is where you can edit how you're gonna receive your notifications. So for example, you can edit them on your inbox, when you receive them on email, on your browser, and on your phone. To edit it, all you have to do is click on this menu, and then you're gonna select custom. In here, you can activate all notification triggers. For example, when you receive a comment on a task, when there has been an activity on a task. Also, when you see new mentions on comments and chats, start and due dates, and to edit them, simply click on them, and you can disable or enable whichever ones you need. Once you have finished customizing all your notifications to your liking, you can simply click on save, and you can also enable or disable the notifications that you receive on your email and how you wish to see them on your browser. If you want a sound to be played once you receive a new notification on your browser, you can enable that right here, and you can also edit the notifications that you receive on your phone by tapping on mobile and selecting how you want to receive them. Hope that helps.